Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the fascinating journey of Stoic living. Today, we'll explore a powerful lesson from Seneca's Moral Letters to Lucilius that probes into recognizing and managing our inclinations, a crucial component of mastering self-discipline and achieving mental clarity. Let's dive into Day 8, where we reflect on how seemingly harmless indulgences can become detrimental dependencies over time. Seneca writes, "We will have to sacrifice much of what we regard as good. Courage, which consists in risking ourselves, will perish. Nobility, which can only rise when it scorns as insignificant all that the crowd values as the greatest, will also perish." This timeless insight prompts us to examine our everyday habits and their long-term implications on our freedom and autonomy. Think about your morning routine. Many of us start our day with a cup of coffee. It's a simple pleasure, right? But what happens when you find yourself unable to function without that caffeine kick? Or consider checking your emails, an essential task for most jobs. But do you sometimes feel a phantom vibration in your pocket, making you reach for your phone, even when there's no new notification? These minor urges and inclinations slowly build and begin to control our lives. As someone who has worked extensively in corporate leadership, I've seen how these dependencies can infiltrate our professional and personal spheres. They not only curtail our freedom and independence, but also cloud our clarity of thought. It leaves us questioning, do we have control over our habits, or do they control us? Addiction, in all its forms, is aptly described as the loss of the freedom to abstain. Whether it's coffee, soda, social media, or even more insidious habits like drugs or gossip, these dependencies can trap us in a cycle that undermines our self-discipline and mental tranquility. Seneca's wisdom encourages us to regain that freedom, the ability to abstain from these habits and regain control over our lives. By cultivating this self-discipline, we can cherish what truly matters. For instance, nobility and courage, as Seneca mentioned, are virtues that arise when we challenge social norms and eschew what the crowd values as greatest. By holding these virtues in higher regard than transient pleasures, we pave the way for a life aligned with our deeper values. But how do we begin this journey of reclaiming our freedom? Start small. Identify one minor indulgence that you suspect has a tighter grip on you than you'd like. It could be that extra scroll through your social media feed before bed, or an afternoon soda that you can hardly resist. Once identified, challenge yourself to limit or abstain from it. Initially, it might be uncomfortable, but this discomfort is the path to self-discovery and growth. Reflect on how you feel without it. Did you find a boost in clarity? Perhaps a sense of empowerment, knowing you aren't bound by that urge? Remember, friends, Stoicism is about progress, not perfection. Each small step towards self-discipline and clarity is a victory worth celebrating. To make this actionable, here's a simple Stoic challenge for you. For the next 7 days, pick one minor urge you wish to curb. Journal your thoughts and feelings throughout this period. How does abstaining or limiting this behavior impact your day-to-day life? Share your experiences in the comments section below, and let's support each other on this path to Stoic resilience. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening exploration. By analyzing and managing our inclinations, we reclaim the freedom to live a life of virtue and purpose. I'm excited to hear about your journeys, and together we'll continue to unlock the power of Stoic principles in our modern lives. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. Until next time, stay resilient, stay focused, and always strive for clarity. See you soon, friends.